Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do some chicken fried steak on the Blackstone. Alright, let's get started with our ingredients. We got some cube steak. We got an egg wash. I got 2 eggs and about a cup of milk in there. I got my flour mixture. I got some smoking Bayou Bears in there. Smoking Bears from Lee over there. He sent me some. Go check him out. It's a great channel. Go give him a look. But I got some of that in there. I got onion powder. I got garlic powder. Salt and pepper if I didn't say that already. And for our gravy over here, I got a little over 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour right there and 2 cups of whole milk right here and some pepper, and I got some salt over here. So we'll do our chicken fried steaks on the Blackstone and we'll get you some gravy made also. Let's get that cook going next. Alright, first things first, let's get these cube steaks seasoned up. Like I said, I'm using some Smoking Bears, Bayou Bear rub, just a little bit, both sides of our cube steak. Because we already got seasoned flour and everything like that, but this will season your meat a little bit. You can use salt, pepper, whatever you want. And then we're going to go directly into the flour mixture. I'll just show you one of these and then you can do the rest. And you can season that flour mixture, like I said, how you want. Get it nice and coated. Kind of get it pushed into those slits in that cube steak. You could definitely pound you out a steak too and do this too. That off and go into your egg mixture. Then back into your flour mixture. Make sure you get it all covered. Get through that egg mixture on there where you got a nice coat of flour on there, like so. And this is going to make a mess. Well, I'm trying not to, but I'm still making a mess when I'm trying not to make a mess. Anyway, there you go. Alright, we'll move to the Blackstone next. Okay, let's get this cook going. Alright, we got our Blackstone going. I'm on probably about medium across 3, and I'm off on the 4th one over there. It's a good decent amount of oil on here. So we kind of want to do a shallow fry with this. We'll see how even my deck is. See how even the deck is back here. Alright, we got some oil down. Now let's get our stars of the show going here. Chicken fried steak. That's kind of what you want it to do. You want it to start bubbling when it hits it, like so. And we're going to go till we get nice and golden on that side. We'll give it a flipperoo. Get that side nice and golden, and we'll move over to the other side and finish cooking it through. I wanted to give you a quick look of how we're frying up here. It's not going crazy because these are halfway, you know, they're pretty thick. They're a good half-inch thick, so we want to get them cooked through, but we don't want to be going crazy because we don't want to be burning the bottom of our chicken fried steak. So nice little bubbles like that, we're in good shape for now. It's been on about 2 minutes. We'll check them here. Alright, about 4 minutes total. We're ready to flip. So let's move these over right now. And what I want to do is clear the spot out just a little bit. Now in a perfect world, you'd be saving this grease for your gravy. But not today. My Blackstone is chipping up a little bit and I really don't want to pull those chunks in there. So clear off the spot. We're going to lay down some new oil a little bit lower than the spot we were. Because when you cook, you kind of suck the heat out of that area. So a new oil. Let's go ahead and be careful when you do this. Flip over to your new spot on your new oil, like so. Looking delicious. Look at that nice crust. Alright, let's give her about 4 more minutes on this side. If you're going along and you're kind of drying up there, like I am a little bit here, give her a little bit more oil around there. Around a little bit. You don't want to move too much to break up your crust, but get some more oil to it. Continue to cook. Alright, we're about 8 minutes in. Flip these over. See how we're looking? Looking great. Looking great. Oh yeah. Chicken fried steak deliciousness right there. Alright, move those over to the warm part of the grill. We're going to clean this up. We're going to get your gravy going next. Alright, let's get some gravy going for you all. Alright, here we go. A little over 2 tablespoons of butter. That goes into the mix. What you want to do, you want to get that all melted up. Once that gets melted and heated up, we'll go forward. Our butter is melted and it is frothy, So time to make a roux, and a roux, as you all should know, is equal parts fat to flour. So here we go in with our 2 tablespoons of flour, and I know there is a little bit more butter than flour because I said that, but it'll be all right. It's gonna work out, trust me. All right, what you want to work this down, and what you want to do now is we got to cook the rawness out of that flour. Turn this probably a little bit more towards a tan roux. And what that takes is stirring and keeping it going and cooking that flour. When we get close, we'll bring it back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, folks, and you can see our roux has changed color a little bit. That's good. That means our flour is cooked out and ready to go. You can keep bringing that down to get a more nutty flavor. We're going to go in with our milk. I don't know if we're going to use this whole 2 cups. I'm going to need it. Let's go with say, a cup of milk. Let's say, what is that? Yeah, we got a cup in there right now. All right, keep stirring that around. That'll start to thicken on you once it heats. Let's season it up with a little bit more of that Bayou Bear. Just a little bit in there. We got some salt. Season up good with some salt because you got that flour. You need to season this up pretty good. Good nubs of that. And a whole bunch of fresh cracked pepper. As much as you like. Season it to your taste. Make sure you're tasting it. Going on from there. I'm going to stir it. We're going to let this go. I'll bring you back when it starts to thicken. Alright folks, this is about 2 minutes later. You can see, pulling lines. I'm going to give it a little bit more milk. There's the 2 cups of milk we're going to put in there. Stir it up. Keep it moving. Once that comes back to heat, it should thicken up. We'll bring you back and I'll show you. Alright, it's about 2 minutes later and it's ready to go. It's not quite pulling the string, but it is. It will. Goes down just a smidge. It'll be perfect. I did taste it. I adjusted some flavors. It's good now. I add a little bit more salt and a lot more pepper to it. That's completely up to you of how you want to do it. Alright, just plate this next. Alright, let's get this plated up. We got some mashed potatoes today. Garlic mashed potatoes. We go right in the middle. That's how I like to do it. And I like to put me a little. I need more mashed potatoes. There we go. I like a little well in the middle there. Put some of our gravy in there. Like so. And our chicken fried steak goes on top like so. Look at that. Does that thing look delicious? And then, obviously, some more gravy on top of that. Because chicken fried steak's all about the gravy. I'm sure there's people out there that don't like gravy. I don't know about you people that don't like gravy on chicken fried steak. Anyway, here we go. Add some green onion to it. And that's our dish, folks. Alright, let's do a taste test. Alright folks, let's go in for a taste test. Looking delish. Let's get in there. See how we did here. Oh yeah. See the color of that Bayou Bear coming through there? Oh yeah. Nice and tender. Garlic's coming through in the potatoes and in the breading. The Bayou Bear's coming through there a lot actually. That's kind of where that red color is coming from. Really good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed cooking for you, and we'll do it again next week. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. See you next week.